guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video for you guys. It is my New York haul. I asked you on Instagram if you wanted to see it, and of course I want to share it with you guys because who doesn't love watching haul videos? So I just went to New York this past weekend, last weekend, and I basically had most of my stuff shipped back just because I went with a carry-on and I didn't want to bring everything that I purchased back with me on the plane. I did end up getting a lot of fragrances, so good thing I had those shipped back too because they wouldn't have been able to go on the plane. But yeah, so now I finally have all of my packages here, and what I've done is I've already opened them out of the boxes that they were shipped in, but I still haven't used anything. I've been so impatiently waiting to do this video for you guys because I thought it would be fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is really small, but I wanted to show you guys everything, and it is non-luxury, but one of my favorite places that we went to was Koreatown in New York. Koreatown was a lot of fun. The food was great. Probably my favorite place to eat. We ended up going to this little Korean market or store, I guess you could say. Not so much a market, but it had a lot of beauty stuff and then books and everything Korean, right? And I found this was on the last day, but I found this little mini Pusheen set with little Stormy. This is Stormy, Pusheen's best friend apparently, and I got this for one of my items that I'll show you later on in the video. But I just thought it was really cute, or I could hang this off any one of my bags. But yeah, so that is what they look like. They're so adorable. So I just want to share that with you guys because I'm crazy, you know that. The next thing, this is in no particular order just because I don't really remember everything anyway, but so the next item I'm going to show you is from Lotte. We went to the one in Soho, and of course I've never been to Lotte. I've never tried their macaroons or anything. We don't have one here, so I was so excited to go. I ended up purchasing this box here, which is I believe the 12 count of the macaroons, and then it comes with this really pretty little gift box. The macaroons are long gone, but I kept the box because it's so pretty. And then I also picked up a bag charm. So it's in this cute little black box, and this was, I was a little hesitant because of the price. I'll try and remember the prices and then let you guys know. This I think was $55. I think my receipt's there, I don't know, but this was $55, and I thought it was kind of pricey, but like I said, I've always wanted one. I've always wanted to go to a Lotte. So that is the color scheme I bought. So I'm really excited to use this on my bags. And if not, keep it as a little keepsake. I don't know. But I'll probably use it on my bags. And then I believe the 12 count macaroons were $21. Somewhere in the $20 range. So that was my Lotte purchase. The next item I want to share with you is Louis Vuitton, and I didn't actually purchase anything from Louis Vuitton. I went there and I brought a luggage tag. I brought 2 luggage tags because I wanted one of the limited edition stamps, and then I also wanted a New York stamp. Unfortunately I only got one, but the one I did get, hopefully you guys can see, is the Good Fortune cat. I really wanted to get this foiled, but the lady at the Maison store, we went to the lady there, I don't know why she wouldn't foil it for me. She just kept telling me, no, it's gonna chip. Because I'd seen one on Instagram that was foiled and it was beautiful, and I was really excited to do that. So anyway, I just got it just stamped, which whatever, it's fine. It's still really cute, but I don't know. And then the other one I ended up not getting stamped just because I really wanted a New Yorkie one. a new, like something to represent New York, but I didn't find any stamps that I really liked, and I should have maybe gone to this one to do it, but I was just kind of frustrated because I really wanted it foiled and she wouldn't do it for me. But nonetheless, I got the one I mostly wanted, which was the cat. So the next few items I want to talk about are fragrances. I went a little fragrance crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I totally would have bought more, and I've bought one since I've been back. Thanks MJ, by the way, because you turned me on to that Raw Spirit perfume. But the first one I will talk about is from the brand EB Florals, which looks like so. I'll show you guys this, which is actually stands for Eric Butterball or whatever fragrances. I've never heard of them before, and when we were in Bergdorf Goodman's, they had like a little section of this, and it really caught my eye. I loved the display of it, and then she was just showing us around the different scents, and I actually fell in love with this one. So I'll show you, I want to show you guys real quick because it's not just like a spray. So what you get is this here, which has the fragrance in it, and then you also get one of these little guys, which is an atomizer. And then they also include, so when you open it up, it includes this little glass thing, hopefully you guys can see, but to help, what is a funnel, to funnel your fragrance in. It's kind of hard to open. So here's the little top. It has a cute little card it comes with, that's adorable. But here's the fragrance itself. It looks like so. It's very pretty and luxurious looking to me. And then it has this little tag that just says Sultry Rose because that's the scent I ended up getting. So it looks like it's just, there's this thing taped on, but it looks like you would just remove this and then place this on top. And then in the store they had this kind of wrapped around, so it just kind of hung off like that, so you could tell which scent it was. Oh, also, real quick actually, because they were doing some sort of promo, I think it was just for Bergdorf's or whatever, but if you spent over, I think it was over $200 or $250, you get a $25 gift card. And then because I was purchasing a fragrance, it also came with a free candle. So I have a little candle here. I think it's like jasmine or something. Oh, and I also wanted to share the price with you guys. So this rose scent is 100 ml, I believe. Yep, so this is 100 ml for $295. And then I got the $25 off. Alright, moving on. I promise I won't take as long for the other items. But the next item I got is another fragrance, and this is from Le Labo. This is for my husband and myself. I ended up purchasing this from Saks. I purchased the, what is this? The 1.7 ounce, and then the fragrance I got is Santal 33. Hopefully you guys can see, but yeah, I just wrote for my husband on it because, like I said, it's for both of us. I will probably use it the most, but, and then they were nice enough to include a sample. I got the Noir 29, which I was told is a super duper good fragrance. So alright, yet again another fragrance. This one is from Byredo. This is my receipt. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm totally getting off track. This one here, I don't have the receipt with me. I think she emailed it to me or something, but it was around $195. Alright, back to Byredo. And the fragrance I picked up is Bal de Freak. I heard really good things about this. I wore it, like I tried it on in store and I really, really liked it. So, pop these stickers. Ow. Ooh, I pinched myself. Okay. So when you open it, it looks like so. You get the fragrance, you get a little card, which is probably like a thank you card. Let's check it out. I guess I never looked at this card before. Okay, can't open it right now, so we're gonna try again later. But, ooh. So I got the 1.6 ounce. Ugh. I love it. It's so beautiful. So yes, that is the last fragrance purchase from my trip. Now let's get on to the really exciting stuff. Or the more exciting stuff if you're not into fragrance. The first thing I picked up is from Gucci, which actually I purchased from MJ. She had an extra one and I really wanted this because you guys, well, you know, the Gucci Blooms pattern came out a long time ago. And my store doesn't really get much, and I've been looking for this forever, and all the Gucci stores in New York didn't have it. And she was like, girl, I have it. And I was like, oh, okay. So I ended up purchasing it from her. Oh, I'm so excited. I really, like I said, I've been looking at this for a long time. So this is the dust bag it comes in. Of course, you saw the beautiful Gucci box. And the item I ended up getting is this. It is the little key holder. So it has a leather tab up here, and the back side it looks like so. And then when you open it up, it's all leather on the inside, and it has this key ring, which looks like that. So you can hang it too. Love it. I am so excited. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay. All right. And then I went to Chanel, and I was so like, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I mostly wanted something for the holiday packaging, and I got it. So I think this holiday packaging is just stunning. I love the half gold dipped, half plain camellia. I think the ribbon is really stunning as well. It has the gold and Chanel on cursive going down it. So yes, I did already open this, not gonna lie. I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram, but I did have a picture of me wearing this, and I will tell you prices, of course. Let me get it out. Like, look how beautiful. I think I got it. Yes. I just slide it out. Just slide it out because I want to, like, I don't want to ruin this prettiness. So anyway, okay, so it comes in this little Chanel box. The item I got is this CC brooch. This is like one of the classic ones with the leather through the metal there. It's the light gold, and then it has the black leather. I just love this brooch. I think it is so stunning, very classic, and I'm not like I don't dress up too much, and this is casual enough that I think that I can get away with wearing it with pretty much everything. So I'm so excited. It's my first brooch, you guys. What do you think? I love it. Okay, so that brooch was, I am knocking everything over. Let's see. That brooch was $4.25. And then I picked up another item from Chanel. This one I got at the so the brooch I got in Soho. This one I got in Bloomingdale's. Where was that? I don't know, Madison Avenue area, I think. But so it came in, it didn't come with the holiday packaging, unfortunately, but still cute nonetheless. It's not That's not my receipt. Okay, what is all this? Hold on. Got lots of stuff in here. What's this receipt? Oh, that's my card. Okay. And then here's my receipt, which we'll get to in a second. Oh, yes. So beautiful. Look at that. I think this ribbon is from last year. Because I was pretty bummed that I couldn't get the holiday packaging, and he was like, well, let me see what I can find for you. And I think that was it. Uh-oh. Okay. And that was what he could get me, so trying to slide this off. That sucker's on there. Okay, so here's the box. And the item I got comes in this beautiful dust bag. Ooh, is it facing the right way? Okay, to reveal my new dark turquoise card holder. And it is the CC, the big CCs with the rainbow hardware. You guys, I'm just like obsessed with this color. It is so stunning. There's purple, there's blue, there's green. It is so beautiful. Look at it. Let's see. Here's the card for it if you guys are interested. Wait, hold on. Oh, the authenticity card. Then there's that side. So this piece was quite expensive, especially for a card holder. This was $600. I think it's the style and the iridescence that makes it more expensive, but it was worth it to me because I really wanted something in this colorway. I think it's gorgeous and I could stare at it all day long. So that is what I picked up from Chanel. I have one last item to share with you guys, and this is from Gucci. So I have my little receipt here. This I had mailed to me as well, and it comes in this box here. I have yet to open it. I am so excited. Should I just pull it off? Yeah. All right, I'm really excited to see this. I love this magnetic box. What's this? Another receipt. What? I got 2 receipts apparently. Okay, 2 receipts. Oh. Just so you guys know, this one I actually, before I get into it, purchased it from the Manhasset's mall store, and my sales associate was so amazing. What's her name? I think her name is Jen, but I want to make sure. I don't want to tell you guys the wrong. Here we go. Jill. Her name was Jill, from the Americana Manhasset store. She was so nice. And just so amazing. So the item I got comes in this dust bag here. Can you guys tell? Oh, you can probably see. All right. The item I got is the mini Gucci backpack. Oh, it's so cute. This one has the bees all over it, so that's why it's sparkly. Oh my goodness. And then it has the black leather trim. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. And then the inside is the micro suede in the baby pink. And it has a little front pocket here as well. Oh, I just love it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. I'm probably going to carry it like this, but it's even really cute as a backpack. And I love what is going on here. I love the shoulder, the shoulder straps. They're super comfortable. So yeah, that is everything that I got in New York. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you soon in my next one. Bye!